to everyone. This is the perfect plumbing service. And then tomorrow we are pay most nationwide service. There are 4 bathrooms here with visitors. So your boss will UK and contact us or maybe so let's go inside and see how we have been laid a supply line for the work. Let's go. Okay, so this is one of the bathrooms here. So here we are using the PPR pipe for the work. So this is how we have been laying our supply lines already. You know it's maybe I use PPR. So this is the water heater connection here. This is the basic connection for the room. This is the emergency for the room. And we have our toilet connection. Stock up for the basin, toilet, and we have our telephone shower here. So this is how we have been laying the room. So we are going to another bathroom and see how the work has been done. Let's go. So this is the master bathroom here. The master bathroom, okay, master bathroom now. So here will be our basin. That will be a cabinet basin for the master. Here will be the water heater connection. Remember, this is emergency for the this is our WC here. And here now we are going to use the jacuzzi. That's the straight one. The jacuzzi, which is jacuzzi one. And the reason why I'm a connection about and I say this is jacuzzi, I a straight one. So here will be the jacuzzi, the small one, and also the one now a demo for one. So this here, so we are going to use 2 bathrooms here, one for the straight one and one here for the line one. And so we are going to another bathroom. So as we were saying, I have to one of the bathroom here. So bathroom is the moon is so nice. Basic emergency for doing here. As emergency for the bathroom in case of anything behind them. Here we contain the water now. So this is the water heater connection for the bathroom. So here we have our water heater connection. Here is the basic connection. We have our telephone shower. There is a telephone shower connection for the bathroom. Remember, we have the vent. That's the ventilation. Where we go top small. Because this one is short, so it will go top small. So we are going to another bathroom or kitchen. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen too, no. We have water heater for the kitchen here. So the kitchen is so make sure say we have water heater at the manner. Now so this is the kitchen connection here, and this is the emergency for drain. Small room. That's the last room here. The small room. We have our telephone shower connection here. That's the toilet connection here for the bathroom. We also have our basin connection. So this is how we have been doing the work. And it's also small basin for the dining. Yes, we have our small basin for the dining here. And we also have our bar. This is a small basin for the dining. Yes, we're going to use bar too for the this is a small basin for the dining. And this one is bar. If you want to wash some of the glass you used to drink some little alcohol or whatever he or she likes. So that's how